If you can't tell, I really like Archery. It's my favorite bow company. Got the Execute 32 with the EKO cams. Got the Kuma 33. Got a bunch of Trophy Ridge accessories. Got some 60X custom strings on there. 60X custom string stabilizer. You know, I think I'm gonna shoot a bunch of random arrows, do the chronograph at some point after work, and see what kind of speeds I get out of both these bows, just for shits and giggles. I think it'll be fun. Oh, also, this is my little archery setup in my garage. I've got the Power Green, Last Chance Archery. Got some random Trophy Ridge accessories. Got a whole random caboodle full of random archery shit. You know, gotta have all that.